here we are in my account, and we'll go to my deposits here. And my most recent deposit that actually completed or closed is a stock market investment. Some of you remember me making a video about this, but I invested $20,100 into this investment. It returned a profit of $9,840, and it only took about 30 days for this to mature. We'll check that in a moment. But it was pretty amazing to be able to put in $20,000 and make $9,800 in such a short period of time. So now I'm going to go over here and click Open a Deposit. And let me give you a quick overview. We have the fiat assets here. If we click this, these are the crypto assets, but these run a lot longer. So you'll notice these are 100 days long, and I have some of these myself, but 100 days is a pretty long time in crypto. And then over here, we have the industry investment. And some people look at the returns on these and they want to invest in these programs. But here's my suggestion. These programs range from 180 days up to 200 days. And I think that is a really, really long period of time. And I think it's safer and just better to invest in the shorter term asset. I think that's a smarter thing to do. And if you manually compound your money, which I'll show you an example of that in a moment, you can actually beat these percentage of returns. So what our team recommends is to invest in the fiat assets. You can start off with as little as $50 in the fiat currency. And if you wish, you can go up to the Forex market that starts at $3,000. Next, you can go to the stock market program, which starts at $15,000. And yes, that did run for 30 business days. So what I'm going to do today is go to the commodity exchange program. Now you remember I said that this program ranges from 1.5% to 2% returns on a daily basis. This number right here is what the program earned today. And this number will vary each and every day. So it will range between 1.5% to 2% on a daily basis, but it did the 1.9% return yesterday. So now I'm going to put in $50,000 right here, and I have the $50,000 here in my deposits. I have it in USD, so it will pull the $50,000 from there. So let's take a look at what this will look like. So based on this 1.9% return, this $50,000 investment would generate a daily profit of approximately $975 each and every day, Monday through Friday. And this is going to vary based on the actual trading results on a daily basis. The total profits would be approximately $35,000. And at the end of the investment, at the end of the 36 business days, which is a little less than 2 months, at the end of that period, they return the full $50,000 investment. So if you take the profit here plus the $50,000, your total return will be approximately $85,000 in about 2 months. And what I plan to do with this investment is I'm going to take the daily profits, and I haven't figured this out exactly, but I'm going to reinvest them manually for a while. So I can either invest them in the fiat every day on a daily basis, or I could let this approximately $900 a day build up until I reach $3,000, so maybe every 3 or 4 days, and then I could invest it in the Forex program. So Wiseling does not have an automatic compounding program, but this is one way to do it. You can take your daily returns, so these returns are made every day, and as you make this, let's just say the program started today on a Monday, and then as you make that profit, boom, it will show up right here. And then the next day you make that profit, boom, it will show up right here. You can withdraw your profits every day, Monday through Friday, and there's 0 withdrawal fee. Or you can leave your profits in here and reinvest them. And we always think it's wise to withdraw some of your profits. And it's a great feeling when you can withdraw all of your profits of your initial investment, and then basically you're playing with the house's money. So it's always smart to take a profit. And it's always smart to work with these short-term programs that you can get in really quickly and get out and make your profit, as opposed to being tied up for 100 up to 200 days. It's a lot smarter to do these short-term programs. It really is. So let's go ahead and make this deposit. I'm going to deposit $50,000 even. You'll see what I have right here. So all I do, it's super easy. I just click this invest button. The deposit was opened. So I've opened that deposit right now. We come up here, the $50,000 was deducted from my account. And if I come here to my deposits, you'll see the commodity exchange is now open. I invested $50,000, and when I click this down button, there's no profits yet, and I have 36 remaining days of accruals that are left. and this will count down on a daily basis. It'll go 36, 35, 34, and as I earn my daily profits, those will be accumulated right here, and I can choose to withdraw them or reinvest them. So again, be smart about this. Only make investments that are right for you. And again, as we suggest, we think the shorter ones are the best ones to do.